Alright, so we are on day 3 of our vlogs.
No, 4.
Well, this is the 3rd one. The other one was a reveal. So we're on day 3. As you can see, we're all in our bathing suits because we are
Going to the beach.
going to the beach. Not the same beach we showed in yesterday's vlog, but a different one. So we're gonna kind of cut until we get there, and then yeah, right, Bia? Woohoo! We're officially here. Katrina's up there. Scott has the chairs, towels. These waves look hella intense. So we're gonna set up, and then we're gonna cut back to when we're done, right?
Can we get some good underwater photos?
So we just set up. Scott is under the shade. We got our towels. Katrina and Bia are gonna be suntanning the entire day probably. I'm gonna be sitting right there in the shade too. And the water's literally freezing cold, so Katrina's gonna go swimming. I don't know if I am yet, but we are gonna cue a montage right now as per usual. And then, yeah, go team. So we just wrapped up at the beach. We are now headed to some kind of mall to get Katrina's contour, even though she has like 80 kinds of contour already. You just realized now that you're ugly?
Oh my.
So we're back from the beach now. Actually, we've been back for a while. We have some chips and salsa on the table, and these hooligans are in the pool swimming.
And we're getting all the sand off of us.
No, I'm getting the sun.
She's getting the sun, sand. And yeah, that's going to be it for today's vlog, everybody. If you enjoyed it, please touch the like button, subscribe for more. No.
Yeah, it's like...
Quiet. Subscribe if you want to see more. And on that note, we're going to end it here. So we will see you all next time. Peace out.